do familiar? It's your boy Taxi PNG, and we're back at it again with another man. Today we have Jules. You guys already know the vibes, man. So today we're here doing a photo shoot for Rockstar Originals, okay? So we're about to go ahead and show you guys some different poses. I might go over my camera settings just a little bit and show you guys what we're doing today. We're gonna have a little bit of fun with this look. This is the outfit. I'm gonna show you guys some little details of the outfit as well. It has a little stacked bottom and stuff like that. Nice little originals on the side. Yeah. So let's go ahead, let's get into it. I was trying to figure out, I don't know, is he a photographer? Is he a model? I think he's a model.
Trying to be naked.
I think he's a model.
Trying to be naked, just say that. It's scary.
That's crazy.
Don't come back.
A guy walked over here and said that he wants a nude photo shoot, and I felt a little uncomfortable. I don't know what happened, but he about to hop on a bus though, so we about to see.
I hope he hops on that bus and then doesn't turn back.
I don't know. All right, but what we're thinking is, okay, so you guys, right now my shutter speed is at 250. My f-stop is at 2.8. I'm always at shutter speed 250. Then I'm at ISO 100. I usually change this ISO up or down depending on how I'm shooting. Right now I'm in shade, so these are the settings that I usually use. And if I need any more light, I'll go all the way up. If I need to go to 640, I will, but I usually won't have to at this type of light. We're in a, it's a harsh light scenario right now, but we are in the shade. So we're in the shaded area of a harsh light scenario. So yeah, so what type of shots we can get. There's like a little bus coming by. I was thinking about this, the bus coming by. Yeah, that was actually pretty hard.
The bus kind of heat.
Little piece, add that little green to it.
Okay.
Yeah, okay. Yeah, this is a good spot because at that depth, this is a really good spot. So I have really good setting, really good spot. If you guys are shooting in harsh light, find you a shaded area to shoot in because the shade is really gonna help you out, man. I can't even cap to you. This shade is really helping out a lot. I'm not even really trying to do too much because the extra ambient light is really helping me bring the entire look together.
Wish you were recording on that, man.
I was recording on that phone, so I might have to clip it away, yeah.
It was just like, I shoot. What did he say for the first option? I don't even remember.
I do all types of photography, bro. And the second one just took it there. Everybody said I do all types of photography. I shoot people. No,
something he said this.
I thought he said I shoot people. I don't know. All right, I don't know. All right, let's see.
Right.
There we go. Yeah, 3, 2, 1. Let me see. I got her zoomed in, you guys. I'm trying to get that purple of that background that's behind her as well. There we go, hold it, let me see. I got you.
I got you. Right.
Cause he's like this.
Oh, cute. It's the green backgrounds for me. Oh, that's cute.
Yeah, I got Brett in there. Bro, everything be happening without you even trying. It's crazy.
Okay.
All right, bet, let's see.
What's about to ride behind me?
I don't know. Everything's going crazy lately. All right, let me get some full bodies. I'm gonna get some full bodies and I'm gonna start getting some details, you guys. So the thing that we're focusing on is the pants are stacked. I wanna get that. I wanna get the Rockstar Original name logo. I also wanna get the originals on the arm piece as well. So make sure that you're getting everything within the shot as well. All the different types of detailed shots when shooting. I don't know. So he's like, use this pole for something. Maybe like, no, nigga, just like maybe your arm. Yeah, there we go. Some shit. There we go. Yeah, there we go. Yeah, there we go. There we go. Channel your inner man.
Like inner man.
Yeah. Yeah, leading lines, y'all boys. Leading lines. Smile and wave, boys. There we go, yep. Right there, yep, hold it, eye contact. There we go, yep, hold it. Yeah, there we go, yeah. They don't look forced. Oh, don't pee. You can smell it, just don't pee. There we go. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. Bet. Yeah. I put my microphones on my camera to make sure things will be a little bit easier for me to talk. I don't know. We have a lot of different stuff going on in the background. We're in a city, so we can't really control what happens in this city. So if you guys hear some crazy noise or something like that, I do apologize ahead of time. But we're about to go ahead and do a little shoot with this vibe right here. She has a Celsius to kind of match her fit, and she kind of just a little vibe. You know what I'm saying? A little stacked pants, stuff like that. So we're gonna have some fun with it. We're gonna do some things, and yeah. So guys, what I'm thinking right now is I'm thinking about having her up here on this the vibes here. I'm gonna be shooting down low to shoot up to like show the city line and vibe and stuff. We're gonna have a pretty wide open aperture, you guys, to see what kind of vibes we can get. And of course, they're gonna get closer to me and mess up my audio because they're disrespectful. Yeah. So these settings that I'm running right now is I'm gonna have to go up on my aperture to f4. We're gonna see what f4 looks like. My ISO is at 80, and then my shutter speed is at 250. Take a picture of the one who's making all the noise. He's the guy who's making all the noise. I just took a picture of him. There we go. Let's see. Yeah, I like this. This is like more lifestyle. I'm gonna go up to my f5. There we go, and then I'm gonna go ISO 100. Yeah, just some like little vibes like that. Have her nice and backlit. Right now, I kind of wish I had a little bit of a reflector, you guys, but I don't, and that's okay. Maybe I could try a little hack. Let's see something. Maybe not. Nah, this is a matte screen. Oh, there we go. Oh, hold on, I did it. There you go. Right? Let me see. Right there. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. Oh, yeah. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. I ain't gonna lie to you guys, low key, you could use your phone as like a reflector when you don't have an actual reflector. It's kind of funny actually. There we go, let me see, 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. Hold it, 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. All right, don't move.
Associates, go ahead and like sponsor us. You know, this is an energy drink, right? Yeah, this is an energy drink. And me and Taxi can be on the way. Yeah, go ahead and sponsor us. We'll shout y'all out. You know, we'll promote y'all. We'll do taste tests of all y'all different flavors on the real frame. Make sure y'all sponsor us. Y'all already know. Rockstar, sponsor both of us actually, because you want your photography set up too. So like, sponsor both of us. And PTSD also, go ahead and get us both right.
That would be kind of hard. I never seen nobody sponsor photography. They sponsor regular influencers.
Yeah,
like
try it.
Shit, like, you're the ones I see on those people.
Yeah, yeah. So like, sponsor both of us. You know, we're gonna tag y'all on all lists. So we should all sponsor us.
Oh yeah. All right, y'all, boys and girls. Ready? 3, 2, 1, tracking. You guys, oh, this hits hard. Yeah, this is amazing. So now we can move around. No, it's not. It's following me.
Okay.
It's actively tracking me.
Okay.
All right, you guys, let's do it. Let's make it happen. So this is kind of fun. This is kind of cool, I think. Yeah, this is gonna be a cool shot. All right, bet. Let's go ahead. We got like not too long. Let's see. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. Yeah, 3, 2, 1. My back up just a little bit. I'm gonna get a little bit more back, you guys. Y'all can't even see me, but the drone can. Yeah, you know what I'm saying? I ain't gonna lie, this is like exciting.
Oh my God.
Yeah, stop looking at it. All right, let's see.
Oh.
There we go.
Yeah.
That shit's expensive. It better take care of itself. There you go. Let's see. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. There we go. Hold it. 3, 2, 1. Yep. I'm going up on my shutter, you guys. I mean my ISO. Only thing I'm moving is my ISO. My shutter is stuck at f5. She's adjusting the pan. Oh, that's hard. Let me get it from the side a little bit. There we go. Yep. Just like so. Yep. Yeah. Hard, hard, hard. Stand like that. Don't move. Don't move, don't move. Yep. Hold it. 3, 2, 1. Bet. We're gonna move down. We're gonna go down.
Like,
Yeah, back up. Just walk backwards. More go. Just right here, you guys, getting this shot right here. Let's see. 3, 2, 1. There we go. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2. Let me see. Do some more fluid, more fluid. There we go. Yep. I'm gonna get up here with her, y'all. All right, bet. Let's see. We got some drone shots in there, man. See. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. Yes. Hold it. 3, 2, 1. One more. 3, 2, 1. Hard, hard, hard. You see? 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. Hold it, hold it, hold it, hold it, hold it. There we go. Hold it. Oh yeah, there's a back. There we go. Yep. We're looking at the back, y'all. Different city vibes. Oh, that's hard. Don't move. Look over your side to the left. Hold it. Hold it. Hold it. Bet.
Can you please
Do some sitting. Okay, bet. Let's see. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. Bet. Do some sitting right here on the side.
Cowgirl.
There we go. Just like so. Go. You see? There we go. Hold it. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. One more. Hold it. 3, 2. Yeah, it's hard. One more. Hold it. 3, 2. You don't move. I'm gonna let it move. I'm gonna let it follow me. And then look at me. Hold it.
Can I switch legs?
Other, yeah, switch your leg. There you go. Hold it. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. Yeah, there we go. Hold it. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. Eye contact. Yep, just like that. Some chills. Yeah, there we go. Bet.
Hey man, say man, free my nigga Rich T, man. Watch this don't